So here's how to join a Roblox private server links on Discord on your mobile device. First, you want to open Discord and then click on the Roblox link and then click on visit to open the link. And now you should be directed to Roblox application, and then it should directly launch the experience. So let's just wait for it to load, and like they can start playing the private server. Now sometimes you might get an error that it says that you do not have permission to join this experience with error code 524. So to fix that, you should simply paste the link somewhere else from Discord. So you can first close Roblox and then go back to Discord, and then you should simply copy the link from here. Click copy text to copy the entire message. And then you want to open your notepad or notes, and then you will simply need to paste the link in here and then save. Now you should simply click on the link in your saved notes and try to open Roblox from here, and it should work just like the other method. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.